Good afternoon, folks. Big Bo here with another great trade-in special from Parkway RV Center. Just traded for this one just a few hours ago, folks. People drove it several hundred miles down here to trade it in. This is a 2000 model Holiday Rambler. By Holiday Rambler, of course. Model number is a 29W, the smallest Class A that Holiday Rambler made in 2000. It's only 29 foot long, bumper to bumper. Very small size, smaller than many Class C's on the market today as far as lengthwise. Got 68,000 miles, and I'm going to show it to you kind of in the rough. We haven't done anything to it yet. 29 foot long, 68,000 miles. Of course, this is a great buy for somebody wanting a first-time RV, wanting a well-built first-time RV and not wanting to spend a lot of money. Generator's running right now. Got a 4 kW Onan generator built on a Ford chassis. 6.8 liter Triton V10, 305 horsepower, 420 pound-feet of torque will propel this little motor home as fast as you want to take a vehicle this size. You know, I'm going to point out a few features that Holiday Rambler did that nobody else does. First of all, the roof system. You know, you buy an older motor home like this, you're worried about rubber roofs. Holiday Rambler has a peaked aluminum roof. It's a 9-layer roof with a metal top, so you've got nothing to worry about up there. Another thing people worry about are the sidewalls from delamination on older RVs. Folks, the Admiral, this looks like fiberglass, but this is actually smooth metal. And it's not glued in, it's riveted in. See these rivets right here? Rivets here, rivets underneath this strip, rivets underneath that strip, more rivets there than rivets at the top. You never have delamination worries with this metal siding that's on a Holiday Rambler. And they don't make them like this anymore because it costs so darn much. But that's why this thing's 19 years old and still looks as good as it does. Tires look good. Like I said, they just drove it several hundred miles down here to trade it. Even the dash air works, folks. And that's very unusual. Got a LumaGuard patio awning. Got a 5,000 pound hitch on the back. Rear roof access ladder. Now the back is a fiberglass cap. So you got a little bit of stripe cracking on the back, but that's the difference between stripes on smooth metal, where you can see they look great, and the stripes on the fiberglass. And it just come in, folks. We ain't washed it or nothing. I mean, this is just how it is. 6-gallon DSI water heater. Got a fairly large basement storage. Looks good up here. Does have one little rock peck right here in the windshield. Not a crack, but just a peck, and it feels like it's already been filled in. So, and I'm just pointing this stuff out to you, folks, because I don't want any surprises any more than you do. I don't want anybody to come here and say, "Hey, I didn't see this on the video or that on the video." So please watch the entire video. Open the door now, folks. I am going to point out one thing. We are going to replace the carpet in here. So it will have new carpet at 19.9. Got the double power steps, so just ignore the stains on the carpet. Inside, though, no odors. There's no smoke odors. No pet odors in here. No mold or mildew odors, anything like that. And that air feels great. Close this door and save it. So it's going to have new carpet. It's going to be very similar in color to what's in here now. Up here in the front, 68,377 miles. Dash looks good. Seats don't look bad. Got a couple little worn spots, but you know, 68,000 miles and 19 years old, you got to expect a little something like that. Curtain goes all the way around the windshield. Got a TV up top. Padded headliner, none of it sagging. Books and manuals are included. Got a table booth that makes a bed right across from a sofa that makes another bed. These two beds are going to leave you just enough space to walk between them. Laminate flooring here in the kitchen area. Stovetop, microwave, convection oven, double basin stainless sink, Norcold refrigerator freezer. And it's already starting to get cold, which they had it cold here just earlier, so I know it's fine. Keep in mind it's only 29 foot, so you don't have a huge bedroom and bathroom area compared to some of the other ones I do. Shower looks good. Little dispenser there for shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel, things like that. You've got a solid sliding door right here for privacy. Let's see if we can open this door right here. Private water closet. Got the RV toilet. Of course, your water pump and tank monitors are in here. Got the electric and gas water heater. Again, folks, no sagging on the headliner. This thing obviously has been maintained. Here in the back, got a Queen Island bed. Over here, you got a little TV up here, a little 13-inch TV. Over here, we have there's storage underneath the bed, day-night shades, and a big closet right here. And like I said, folks, we are going to put new carpet in here for that $19,900 price. $19,900 will trade. That's a haggle-free, firm price if you want the new carpet, and we're still going to check it out for you. Do an extensive RV component checkout, make sure it works. They have new carpet installed, so you'll be ready to go. Includes a demonstration walkthrough by our RV tech after purchase, after it's been through service, and more. That price, of course, is haggle-free firm, like all of our prices. You know, if you want to buy the unit as is, without the new carpet, without the checkout or anything else like that, then we will discount the unit. If you're willing to buy it as is. Or for $19,900, it'll be checked out, ready to go. You can take it right to the campground from the dealership. Any questions about that, folks, give us a call, 706-965-7929. 2000 model Holiday Rambler Admiral 29W with 68,000 miles. Not a bad unit, folks. It's not perfect. It is 19 years old, but for a 19-year-old unit, it's not bad at all. And like I said, the dash air's blowing cold. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions, give us a call. You can email us, sales@parkwayrvcenter.com. Of course, my phone number is answered 24/7, 706-965-7929. Let us know if we can help. Look forward to seeing you here in beautiful Ringgold, Georgia.